This is the Lake Charles Bridge, the I-210 bridge, and they're doing construction on it. They've actually removed part of the handrail or guardrail, whatever you call it, so it kind of makes it look like there's no railing while you're driving. Some people are complaining about it. Some enjoy it because of the view, and some are just totally freaking out over it. So I just figured I'd video it for you. So I guess, you know, when you're driving and then you turn and you look this way, there's no guardrail after you look out the side window. And here's a view of our lake, which is Lake Charles. This right here is an island, which is in the middle. The only way to access it is by boat. No bridges. A lot of people go and fish off of it. That's our ship channel where all the ships come into all the refineries. And that's our casinos. And this is Lake Charles. They'll start at Lake Charles. Construction's coming along. Still got a ways to go. It's the 210 beach. Used to be, but since the high tide, there's no sand at all. And we're going to the mall today. Lake Charles Mall. Scenery. The two casinos we have, La Berge and I don't remember the name of the other one. Golden Nugget Casino. So we've made it to the mall. And we're gonna do some shopping. I have a daughter that's looking for a prom dress today. So hope to see you soon.